What's the word, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. It's your man Troy Boy, aka Trouble T13 on Instagram. You can follow me on there if you want. It's up to you. But today, we're doing something a little different on my channel. I'm gonna be doing my first sneaker unboxing video today with y'all. I got something nice in the mail yesterday. I think it's about time we reveal what it is. It's the box. Feel me? It's one of the most anticipated kicks out right now. And I was lucky enough to get these shits. Shout out to the Sneakers app. I've been getting lucky on there a couple of times, but let's get into it. Let's get it. Take that off of here, man. See what's going on. Hold up, let me get my knife together, man. See what's going on here. Y'all taking an up close and personal look right with me as I'm unboxing these. It's my first time seeing these shits in person with y'all. You know what I'm saying? I need y'all to hit that like and that share button too, man. If y'all ain't subscribed yet. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate it if y'all do. Alright, let me stop it. Let's get into it, y'all. Oh shit. Y'all ready for this? Oh! Y'all see what that say right there? Yeah, I got those. Let's check out this box. Oh. Shit actually feel like a brick too. The texture and all that. In case y'all ain't know, today we're gonna be unboxing some good old Nigel Sylvester 4s, man. Let's get into it. Alright. Oh shit. Y'all see what's going on, man. She wrapped up like a nice little present for niggas, man. Got the Velcro strap and all that. You know what I'm saying? It's my first time getting some luxury sneakers and all that, man. These just like the Red Octobers or something, you know what I mean? I don't know if I'm gonna sell them or I'm gonna hold these joints. To sell or not to sell? Anyway, nice little Velcro strap on them. Hold up. Oh, that's fire. Oh, they come individually wrapped and all that, y'all. Oh, shit. You know these shits is 100% authentic. And you see that green sticker right there? I don't know if y'all can see it. But the last review I watched, he told me to make sure you got that sticker in your plastic bag. These shits ain't real. I got these from Nike too. Straight off the Sneakers app, y'all. Let's get into these joints. As you can see, oh shit, y'all. These shits is highly anticipated, man. Everybody ain't get these, man. I was lucky enough to get them, though. And we unboxing them live right now. First time. Oh, shit. There they go. Ah. You see that on the back, baby. That bike Ed, man. I definitely ain't gonna be riding no bike in these shits, nigga. But They look alright in person. I don't know. I ain't too big on them, but they look alright. What y'all think I should do? Should I sell them? Or should I hold on to them? That's the question. See what else we got. The other one. I know somewhere in here is my white laces, but I don't see them right now. I can see the inside of the box too. See that goat. Well, let's go. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Just checking these out, man. Making sure they legit. Too legit to quit, you know what I'm saying? Hey! Too legit. Too legit to quit. Oh, shit. Shit like Christmas. Wrapping these red things in the Christmas tree. Oh, texture on these shit's crazy. You definitely for some bike riding motherfuckers. But it might look better with the white laces and all that, y'all. So, there we go. Brand new. Never touched the ground, baby. Some Fat Joe shit right there, man. Y'all don't do that. But, yeah, man. There they go, y'all. Nigel, Sylvester, Jordan 4s. Hey, let's go.